Do you want to know how you can log into your Best Buy credit card? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Best Buy credit card. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and then go to the search bar and then search for Best Buy credit card login. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. Wait for a while and the site will open up. Now, what you need to do is click Sign In if you are a card member already. After you click Sign In, this is the login portal of Best Buy. Go ahead and write down your email address, your password, and then click Sign In. This way, you can log into your Best Buy credit card. You can also sign in using a passkey, your Apple ID, or your Google ID as well. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on the I button, and if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link you want to follow through. If you don't have a Best Buy credit card account, go ahead and click Create an account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Best Buy credit account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as for